No SAN, no NAS. Storage in the cloud's a different animal, but it can be tamed. Find out how coming up next. SDR News coverage of AWS reInvent made possible by Dome9. Total control and visibility over your cloud infrastructure, network, and host security. Garantia, the in-memory NoSQL company, offering enterprise-class Redis for developers. Encapsula, website security, always-on protection from bots and DDoS and real-time stats on visitors and threats. Skillbase, leveraging MySQL and scaling out data at the speed of your business. And eMind, architecting, building, and operating enterprise-grade clouds in billion-dollar HIPAA, PCI DSS, and SOX environments. More coverage of AWS reInvent online or on the SDR News Roku channel.
We are here at the AWS reInvent on the floor, SDR News, together with I'm On Demand. My name is Ofir Nachmani, and we're together with Nelson from Zadara.
Nelson Nahum, yeah.
Nelson Nahum, the CEO of Zadara and the founder of Zadara, right?
Yes.
How is the show?
The show is excellent. It's a great show. A lot of people, and we enjoy. And we are actually one of the two storage companies, the only two storage companies exhibiting here. So
excellent.
We have a lot of traffic.
Excellent. So what is the challenge? We're doing storage. What is the actual challenge that this Amazon user or maybe the enterprise, grade user is actually, is the challenge, and you are helping to overcome that? What is the challenge?
Definitely. So storage in the enterprise and storage in Amazon is completely different. While virtual servers and networking, everything looks the same, storage is completely different. Storage in Amazon is S3, object storage. EBS is block storage. You don't have the capabilities of a SAN or a NAS device that you have in the enterprise.
For example?
For example, CIFS and NFS and sharing and clustering and many different capabilities, remote replication, snapshots, things like that in the enterprise has been available in the storage for years. You don't have this in Amazon. So what we want to do is or what we're offering actually is a combination of the same enterprise capabilities on the storage side. They get the drive, clustering capabilities, CIFS and NFS, protocol like SCSI, snapshot, remote replication, encryption, everything like what the user use in the data center, but in Amazon, and also offered as a service, like Amazon. So it is pay by the hour, totally OpEx, completely elastic. The customer can add drives, remove drives, upgrade controllers, more IOPS, less IOPS.
Amazing. So you basically, what I see here on the floor is a lot of, new vendors or vendors that actually bringing the values of the enterprise from the 10 years ago, 12 years ago, bring it to the cloud as a service. Most of them as a service, and actually replicating the same things to make sure that the enterprise user, continue on and using the same thing.
It's not only the user, the application. For example, we have many customers that the application talk NFS or CIFS, and they cannot use S3. So, or the latency is important, or many other things.
So compatibility
with the current application that they have on the data center in the cloud, but with the as a service and pay as you go, the economics of the cloud.
Very good. So, what is the typical use case, or how big is the enterprise? What is the typical user that you want to come, or you think that it's beneficial for him to down?
Yeah, so the starting service for us, I think is minimum 1 terabyte system, because we dedicate drives per customer. We don't have the noisy neighbor of having a shared system. So every customer get like what we call a virtual private storage array. Is dedicated drive, dual controller, full management. The customer decide if they want RAID 10, RAID 5. So less than 3 drives, you cannot do that. So minimum system is like a terabyte, and we have a very large customer that have hundreds of terabytes. It's kind of having their own private storage accessible from Amazon. So they have the best of both worlds: the enterprise capabilities, the privacy, no noisy neighbor, all these premium storage features that in the enterprise, but in Amazon and at the price of Amazon and the pay as you go.
So what you're saying is that basically you have you're extending the storage of Amazon with your own hardware.
Well,
right?
Yeah, we put hardware in Equinix facilities, and we have data connect into Amazon. We have multiple 10 gig links. We are actually one of the biggest data connect customers of Amazon. But the customers don't need to feel that. They don't need to deal with direct connect, not Equinix. We do everything for the customer, and you just create a virtual array. In 1 minute, you have an IP address routable from your VPC, totally private, so you are the only one can access that. And it looks like local to any EC2 machine.
So Amazon should be very happy with complementary services that actually gives additional values to the enterprise to come and migrate into the Amazon cloud.
Exactly. We were one of the first direct connect customers, and they were so happy that we have special capabilities that help enterprises to move to the cloud, that they even changed some of the code of Direct Connect in order to facilitate the multi-tenancy.
Impressive. Impressive.
Because Direct Connect is supposed to be one-to-one, one customer to one, and we have a service that have multiple customers, and they did a change for us very quickly. Amazon, amazing company. They move so fast, and
they move like crazy. I see how many new announcements today. Very interesting. And how people can reach Zadara.com, or how it works.
Yeah. So today we offer the service directly to customers. So they go to our website, zadarastorage.com, and they can register. Then create a virtual array. The next day, or same day, they can have up and running. We have a free trial, so we don't need a special credit card or anything like that. Very easy to start, very easy to test. You like it, you stay. You don't like, don't stay.
Cloud. Cloud. This is the cloud, exactly. Thank you very much, Nelson.
90% of the customers are really like that. And they actually say, wow, I didn't know that this is possible. So that's very good.
Thank you very much, Nelson. Thank you very much. Enjoy the show and good luck.
Yes.